We are trying to figure out the cost of the mixture. So if we figure out how many pounds you have of one of the nuts and multiply it by the price per pound, that tells you how much you spent. So this says the mixture contains twice as many cashews as almonds. Cashews would be 2A. And then it says, and 3 times as many walnuts as almonds. So walnuts would be 3A. So you got cashews are 2A, walnuts 3A, and of course almonds is just A. So if I want to figure out how much I've spent on cashews, that would be 2A is the amount, and multiply that by 3.5 plus almonds, and that's going to be $4 times A, plus walnuts is 3A times what? 450. So that's going to be 7A plus 4A plus 13.5A. And those are all A's. If you add those up, you get 24.5A.